Hi, and welcome to our 5th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean. My friends call me DJ. I'm from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS, and I'll be your guide here today. Today, we'll be going over just a few items on the toolbar in Excel. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting, software, and many more. So let's begin. The items that we're going to be reviewing today is sorting A to Z, decreasing indents, increasing indents. So let's get started. I made up an Excel spreadsheet for you today just to show you an example of what it can look like. Okay? Excel will produce extremely professional documents for all your needs. The first thing that we're going to go over today is sorting A to Z. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is go ahead and click in these cells over here to the left, line 11 through 15. This is going to give the Excel program a command that I'm going to be doing something in that area alone. To get to your sorting, what you want to do on the top left-hand corner is click on Home, and this brings up your ribbon, or what you can call your toolbar. Okay? You go way over to the right, excuse me, in this section that says Editing. Go up to A to Z, Sort and Filter, and click. It's going to give you different items that you can do. What we want to do in the section to the left is alphabetize it, or have the system alphabetize it. It's going to sort it A to Z. So go ahead and click on Sort A to Z. As I click on it, look over at that section 11 through 15 and watch it's going to sort those items. However, before we sort these items, what I want to bring to your attention is you need to go ahead and go all the way over to April. And the reason being for that is if you want to sort these, you want the proper columns to be sorted as well. Okay? So we click on Home, we go over to A to Z, we click on that, and we click on Sort A to Z. Okay? So let's make this height here a little bit longer. So what you can see now, it's taken these items here and it has sorted them A to Z. You've got your copy supplies, your meeting, the paper towels, and the pens. All the first words of all these are alphabetized, and the proper columns went with them as well. If you just clicked on these lines that have the description and you sorted that, the proper columns would not go. You have to go ahead and click all the way over to April and then down where you want to sort. And then it'll take those numbers with it as it sorts. This is a very important feature. Also, Control S. That is Control Save. S like Sam. Reason being, if you have a power surge or anything happens, electrical storm, someone unplugs something by accident, you could lose all of the work in your chart, everything that you've done so far since your last save. So as I'm doing my documents, I always click on Control S several times during the design of the document itself. Like I said, if there was a power failure, you will lose only the items from your last save. Okay, so you want to do that quite often. Okay, the other things we're going to look at is decreasing indent and increasing indent. So let's say I'm going to click on the phone number in line 5. I clicked in the cell again, which is telling the system I'm going to be doing something with that particular cell. You go up to Home and you go over to the alignment area. Okay, this whole area is pertaining to alignment. If you want to increase, okay, see how the phone number, when I clicked on increase, moves over? Okay. Now this button right here that I'm circling, this is the decrease indent. And it's really nice that the system, when you point at it, it'll tell you what it is and what it does. Okay, so if you're ever confused, it's so simple. You just point at it and see if that's what you want. Okay, and then to decrease, same thing, you bring up your ribbon, you go to alignment, and you decrease. Now, on line number 5, watch the phone number as I click on decrease. See? So that will decrease your indent. So you have increase and decrease that we went over today. Let me go ahead and Control S, which will save the phone number where I wanted it to be. Okay? Okay, these are just a few features that the Excel program has to offer that will produce extremely professional documents. We've only reviewed a few today, and please note that you can review this as many times as you would like, or also the prior podcasts, you can also go and review them as well. Our clients are our number one concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these podcasts and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your future and learn more about the Excel program. We would be happy to provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and for future growth of your company, just to assist you further. This is DJ signing off. I'd like to take the opportunity to say thank you for your time and consideration for joining our podcast video. Please feel free to check in again to see the next podcast video by Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.